Alright, here we are at the old pony country store. I don't really understand what that is right there, but obviously that's an old mannequin. That's it right there. Yeah, that wind's blowing today. I hope. There she is. There's the other side of it over here. It's cool. Who knows? Might have actually went in there as a kid. There it is. Here's the other part of it. Really spooky. There's the stairs. I'll be scared to go up here. Floor. Here's the top of it. Hopefully I don't fall to the floor. And there's the actual ghost. Right there. Probably won't fall through. There we go. Okay. Let me get out of here before I get in trouble. Ooh, that's scary. All right. Goodbye, ghost.